Hey friends, welcome to Christmas Gift Challenge. Today, you'll choose between 4 Christmas options, 3 premium festive picks, and 1 hidden bad surprise. No time to overthink. Pick the right Christmas gift now. Choose your Christmas sofa. Which sofa would be perfect for cozy winter evenings? Choose your Christmas rug. Which rug makes your room feel festive? Choose your Christmas curtains. Which curtains complete your holiday vibe? Choose your Christmas lamp. Which lamp lights up your room magically? Choose your Christmas bookshelf. Which shelf would you decorate with holiday cheer? Choose your Christmas fireplace. Which fireplace feels warm and magical? Choose your Christmas coffee table. Which table fits your holiday setup best? Choose your Christmas chandelier. Which chandelier sparkles the most this season? Choose your Christmas wall art. Which artwork gives the perfect festive touch? Choose your Christmas bed. Which bed matches your holiday vibe? Choose your Christmas tree topper. Star, angel, or snowflake? Which one do you pick? Choose your Christmas ornaments. Which ornaments would you hang this year? Choose your Christmas wreath. Which wreath welcomes guests in style? Choose your Christmas stocking. Which stocking would you hang above the fireplace? Choose your Christmas candle holder. Which holder adds the perfect glow? Choose your Christmas throw blanket. Which blanket keeps you cozy and festive? Choose your Christmas mug. Which mug will hold your hot chocolate? Choose your Christmas plate set. Which plate set makes your holiday table magical? Choose your Christmas napkin holder. Which one matches your festive dinner? Choose your Christmas centerpiece. Which centerpiece makes your table wow? Choose your Christmas clock. Which clock counts down to Christmas perfectly? Choose your Christmas phone case. Which case shows off your holiday spirit? Choose your Christmas laptop skin. Which design keeps your tech festive? Choose your Christmas socks. Fun, cozy, or colorful. Which pair do you pick? Choose your Christmas slippers. Which slippers keep your feet warm and stylish? Choose your Christmas pajamas. Which set do you wear for holiday mornings? Choose your Christmas backpack. Which backpack is perfect for festive school or work days? Choose your Christmas earrings. Which earrings sparkle the most for holiday parties? Choose your Christmas handbag. Which bag matches your holiday style?